Man, I'm so bored now. Homecoming season's over, and now the food drive. What do we do?
Well, we do have to come up with a theme for the winter assembly.
Shoot, you're right. How about we ask the others what they think?
Good idea. I'll call Ciara.
Hey Preston, what's up?
Hey Ciara. So, me and Leo were having trouble coming up with ideas for the script.
Well, did you at least try?
Yes, we tried, Ciara. What else would we be doing?
I want to be Mario.
Okay, well, I'll get the others and we can see what we can do.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, so I'm sure CR told you the issue?
Yes, we need a theme for our winter assembly.
Well, it is the holidays, right?
Yeah, there's a ton of things that we can do.
Yeah, like giving gifts to everyone. That's for you, Leo, and for you, Ciara, and you, Miss Vivian, and you, McKenna.
No, silly, not like that.
Do you guys mean like wrapping presents and baking treats and decorating the house?
Yeah. You know what we should do?
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. It's like snow is falling.
Man, I sure love giving gifts to people.
Yeah, you know, it's just like someone's birthday, except it's for everyone.
Wow, I never thought of it like that.
Yeah.
Wow, I sure do love decorating for the holidays.
Yeah, my favorite winter pastime is decorating. Like, look at these lights.
Yeah. Whoa, these are all my favorite colors.
3 cups of pumpkin.
4 eggs. Okay, 4 eggs. Just put those in the bowl right here.
Wait, I got it. For our assembly, we should make our own Food Network channel and broadcast it through HBN.
No.
Whoa! That's a lot of negativity there, Preston. We wouldn't want to hurt anybody's feelings now, would we? Sorry. Now you be a good boy.
Anyways, you know how every single person bakes treats, wraps gifts, and decorates houses? And, well, what if we have everyone compete in baking, wrapping, and decorating?
Wait, like Cake Boss? Or even better, our own Hallmark movie?
No! What about a competition between 4 classes?
Yes, that's the idea, Vivian.
Yes, we could have them compete in various winter games. Now all we need is a name.